So things are available. You might get some information like this also. Why to waste your time, waste your energy on doing this kind of project work? Simply just go and get some product directly from the project consultancy. They'll arrange some sessions for you for a week time or 10 days or 15 days. They'll explain you what is exactly the project, what you are going to do it, right? If that mentality is there, actually this is not a right place to continue. Sorry to say that. If you people have any idea of doing, just go and getting the project from the market directly and presenting in front of the faculty just for scoring. And if you treat this project work for only scoring aid, this is not a right platform to be here. Thing is, the project work, it's not only gives you 200 marks or an extra marks in your curriculum. You yourself would have think on this case. Till then, you have crossed so many theoretical subjects, so many projects, I mean practical works. Everything is awarded with a uniform grading system, right? Even a practical 100 marks, yeah, theory is 100 marks. But when it comes into this eighth semester, I mean your seventh and eighth semester, the project work phase, the project marks is awarded with a little higher marks than your normal practical work. Why? So it says that your university giving some importance to this project work. It's not your general or normal practical work, what you are undertaking in your laboratories. It has its own value. Your university, they know about it. That is the reason they have kept little higher grading system for your project work. Even your management knows about it. That's why they are starting your 8 semester work from the 7th semester onwards. It's not. It's a journey. Your project work is a journey. So they know the importance of that. Apart from your management and university, from the student point, let's just think on it. Why this project work is for me? What for I need to work, and why people are giving this much importance? Why I need to do this project? Why I want to engage myself on this work? Plenty of question has to come. If that is the case, we are there to help you. Really, the importance of or flourishing your importance of this project work. I can means everyone. We are one or the other way. We are aiming for our career growth, right? So as soon as you finish your engineering or your studies, three kind of categories we can do it. One is people. Some of you might think that as soon as I finish it, I want to land it in any of the company, any of the IT sector, or any of the places where I can earn money. So you have to start your career, job career. So let me just group of people who really wants to get placed as soon as the degree is over. So just work career group of people. And the other set of people may be passionate or it's like more interest on learning the things or upgrade yourself. So those kind of people, you may think that let us just not to stop with the UG alone. Let's just go with upgrade ourselves for doing some MTech or continue the things towards the research. So keep on learning. It's like that kind of people. So let's just put it them in one category. The other one, I want to become an entrepreneur. I want to start my own company. I want to begin the startup. Even government actually they are supporting more startups. So other category of people who may be interested in this kind of entrepreneurship kind of things. So let me just group the students into three category, and I'll try to justify that in all these three cases, the importance of project work, how it is. Let's come to the first case. Then I'll come to the second case. Then I'll come to the third case. Then I'll come to the fourth case. Then I'll come to the fifth case. Then I'll come to the sixth case. Then I'll come to the seventh case. Then I'll come to the eighth case. Then I'll come to the ninth case. Then I'll come to the 10th case. Then I'll come to the 11th case. Then I'll come to the 12th case. Then I'll come to the
Hello,
13th case. Then I'll come to the 14th
hello.
case. Then I'll come to the 15th case. Then I'll come to the 16th case. Then I'll come to the 17th case. Then I'll come to the 18th case. Then I'll come to the 19th case. Then I'll come to the 20th case. Then I'll come to the 21st case. Then I'll come to the 22nd case. Then I'll come to the 23rd case.
हेलो हेलो। हेलो।